channel. Today we are going for a little ride. One of my favorite spots. It's called MORE MESA. It's actually the first spot I ever took to Sur Ron, and just a really beautiful spot to ride. Big piece of private property, right on the edge of some cliffs overlooking the ocean. There's some big jumps there and stuff. Meeting my buddy Jack from last episode of the Sur Ron experience over there, and he's got a new Mavic Pro Drone. Gonna try to get some drone shots, and yeah, maybe hit some jumps. We'll see. I don't know. I wasn't really feeling like jumping when I woke up this morning, but as soon as I get to the jumps, that usually changes my mind. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, just want to say thank you guys for all your continued support. I've been having a lot of fun filming these videos for you guys, and if there is any way you guys think I can make my videos better for you, please drop a comment below and let me know what you think. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, so we are almost done with the street riding. We've gone 4.5 miles in sport mode, which drained us down to 81% battery. I was actually driving by where I lived in high school, which was right in here. I went to high school right back down this road at San Marcos Senior High here in Santa Barbara. So I love driving by old places and reminisce on the youthful days, you know. But yeah, we're getting up to the bike path part, and so I'm gonna flip you guys around, and this is what takes me out to MORE MESA without riding the streets the whole way there. So, yeah. And we usually just take it slow on the bike path, especially on the weekends, because there's lots of people on here. Just trying to be respectful as much as possible. Back on the street for a second, but not for very long. Almost to MORE MESA. Actually, we are here at MORE MESA Shores. Let's go ride. Alright, so this is the point where we can finally cruise, so I'm going to put you guys on the handlebars for now. And I think we go this way. This way. How's it going today? Good. See a dude flying a drone anywhere yet? There he is. What up, dude? Nice. Oh.